Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we are doing a get ready with me for date night. It was just recently my boyfriend's birthday a couple days ago. I filmed this video for his birthday, so let's go ahead and get right into the shower. I've already threw in my shower steamer and I'm just getting my hair soaked right now, ready for some shampoo. So for tonight, I've been thinking about doing a really nice sleek ponytail. So every time that I do one of those hairstyles, I always make sure to wash my hair. I don't know why, it always works out better in my favor. The hairstyle always turns out exactly how I've been picturing it. Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong. But you're still coming over, even when you're gone. The feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone. I do want to smell good all night long, so I'm gonna go in with my Dove Shea Butter Bar Soap. This makes my skin so soft. I've been using it for a couple weeks now, and I just love the results that it leaves on my skin. I just feel so buttery soft, and it's just such a great feeling. Look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on. I do have dry skin, so I like using a scrub and wash because it just gets rid of all of my flaky dead skin that doesn't always come off with just a bar soap. So I'm just going in gently. This scent smells amazing. It goes hand in hand with the Dove Butter Soap. This is probably my favorite part. We're going in with the Dove Foaming Shea Butter Body Wash. I just love lathering it up. I just feel so squeaky clean after I use this body wash. Just repeating the same process on my legs and my lower body. Definitely cannot forget the feminine hygiene wash. I use this every single day. Moving right along into skincare, I'm just going to shave my face. I haven't done this in a few weeks. I do want my foundation to apply super seamless and smooth, so that's why I'm doing this prior to putting on my makeup. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting. In the meantime, I'm gonna put my hair up in a claw clip before I do my makeup. I wanna be around while you. First product, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. This is going to help with bringing extra glow to the skin. Using my Holy Grail foundation. This is the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Foundation. I literally use this every single day. It is the best product. Moving on, I'm using the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Concealer. This is very similar to my everyday makeup routine. I have not been wearing false lashes in a very hot minute. This is just something that I do every single day. I just add a couple extra steps to make it a little bit more done up. Taking that same concealer in a different shade, and I'm just adding some cream contour. I've been actually obsessed with this technique. Now I'm just going in with some Huda Beauty Loose Baking Powder, and this is in Banana Bread. I'm actually not baking, I'm just stippling the brush into the skin, and I find that it gives a better seamless look. Now I'm going in with the Dior Rosy Glow Blush. I've been using this brow pencil for a very long time, and it's definitely one of my favorites. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pencil. A lot of the products that I do use on a daily basis are very affordable as well. To set my brows, I've been using this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit Cosmetics for literally years. This is my go-to product. I'm gonna keep the eyeshadow super light today. I'm just using transition color. I'm gonna add a couple of gold colors right on the middle of the lids. If you are not doing nose contour, you definitely need to start because this will change your entire makeup game. Your makeup will look so much better.
Like damn, see how it moves.
Since I'm not wearing falsies today, I'm just gonna curl my lashes and get it prepped for my mascara. So moving along, I'm using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara. This is honestly the best mascara I've ever used. It has a duo brush, so it's got a curl and length and then a volume. So I'm going in with the curl and length right now, and then I'm gonna swap over to the volume, and it just gives me that falsies look. So I don't really like to wear falsies at the moment. I just like to go in with a secondary mascara just to give an extra lift. Moving on to some highlighter, I'm just highlighting my nose and just doing my cheekbones and the top of my brow. I always get questions about my lip combo, so I'm using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 in Muted Pink. I've been using this for so many months. Then I go in with the Maybelline Nude Lust, and then I add my NYX Butter Gloss. That is the completed look. I'm feeling bronzed, I'm looking good, I'm looking snatched. So now we're gonna go on to do some body care.
How many licks did it take to?
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here.
I always find myself picking out my outfit before I complete my hair. I don't know, this is just something that I've always done. I was thinking of wearing something a little bit more simple, black and white, so I picked this beautiful top with a leather jacket. Moving on to the hair, we're going to be using our heat protecting sprays. You definitely need to be using this because I'm going to be going in with some heat. So I'm using the Tresemme Heat Tamer Spray, and then I'm going in with my Dove Miracle Mist, and then we're just going to massage all of that into the hair, and then we're going to get right into blow drying. I'm not going to worry too much about blow drying the top of my hair, but I'm really going to focus on the ends because that is what I'm going to be working on. So I'm just putting it up in a ponytail right now. I'm definitely gonna go back and fix it. So I just wanna really emphasize the bottom half of the hair and just make sure it's all dry and ready to be straightened. Before I redo the pony, I like to go in with my gels just to give that sleek look, and then I just kind of redo the ponytail so it doesn't take much effort. So I'm just going in with a Eco Gel, Argan Oil, and I'm just making sure that all of my layers are flat, my hair is flat, and then I'm just retying the ponytail.
Represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for.
I'm just going to be taking some hairspray just to make sure everything is set in stone, and then I'm going to be using the Color Wow Dream Coat. This is going to make sure my hair is pinned straight, and I always use this when I do a sleek ponytail.
When you're making my lady, girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Once the ponytail is looking super straight, we're gonna go in with a little bit of hairspray. Just be super light and gentle with it. You don't wanna spray too much because then it's gonna become super crusty. For this outfit, I wanted to stick to some silver jewelry, so I'm going in with some silver earrings, silver rings, and a silver watch. All of my jewelry is also from my brand, Riches Season. I will link it down below for you guys, and you can shop the items that I'm wearing. This has been my go-to fragrance for a couple months now. This is My Way by Giorgio Armani. This is a beautiful, beautiful scent, and I love wearing it when I go out.
When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you know that.
This is the final outfit. I love wearing outfits like this. It's super sophisticated and classy in my opinion. The sleek ponytail just ties the whole look together. Now we are on our way to the restaurant. We went to a place called Atlas Steak and Fish. I absolutely love the vibes in there. The food was amazing and it was just an overall very good night. That's going to conclude this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next video.